In today's video, I will be sharing a complete step-by-step guide on how to earn money using Google News. Now let's get started. First of all, go to google.com. After that, simply search for Google News. Once you've hit the enter button, it will take you to this results page where you can see that the first official website shown is news.google.com. If you're wondering what this website is, Google News is a place where you can find the latest news and articles on various topics from around the world, like a physical newspaper that is being delivered in front of your door. You can find news about business, technology, entertainment, sports, science, and health. You can find a ton of articles on this website. Here on the left-hand side, you can see all the categories. All the articles are listed in these categories. You can be taken and uploaded on a different website that pays you money for every article you publish. For example, selecting articles from the health category will give you all the latest news and all the latest articles related to health. Now simply scroll on this page and try to find something interesting. I think this news is more interesting than others, so I'm interested in this recently uploaded article. The article's topic would surely catch the attention of a lot of audiences. Now move on to the next website to make your article writing easier. This is a tool called spinbot.com. Spinbot is a free automatic article spinner that will rewrite the human-readable text. If you need a paraphrasing tool, Spinbot will get the job done for you. Now you need to paste the article that you saw on Google News. Once that's done, the article you posted will automatically be written for you, so that you can have the entire article in your own words. It'll make it completely unique. Now I will share the websites that will pay you a lot of money when you upload articles on their page. The first website that I want to talk about is called eatingwell.com. Here you can submit your own articles and get paid for them. Instead of spending days producing those articles, you can simply find pre-existing articles on Google News. Here on this website, you will be paid up to $1 per word. So imagine if you can produce a 1,000-word article, you can easily make $1,000 from that article alone. The best thing about this method is that it took less than 30 minutes to copy and paste articles on Google News. If you're wondering how you can submit your article, simply scroll down until you find a section where you can find their contact information. Copy their email and open your email account, then typed into your email as the receiver. After all of that is done, send your Spinbot written article to them with the subject line submission. When you send that specific email, they will review it, and if they like your writing, they will ask for your payment information. Google News gets uploaded every couple of hours. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to click that subscribe button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming videos.